Hey, I'm Lana Hill for HISD Now. Thank you for tuning in on this Friday. Coming up in today's headlines, the board celebrates our parent university graduates. Playoff football is on tap starting tonight, and where you can learn more about our school choice program. It is Friday, November 14th. Well, last night was the November board meeting, and district leaders kicked things off by recognizing more than 100 parents for their completion of HISD's Parent University program and those participating in our new Parent Leaders Academy. These programs help parents navigate public education and support their child's academic success through free workshops and info sessions, and most importantly, connections with other parents and community members.
And there's nothing more important than investing in your children and your children's success, which is what you all are doing, obviously. We spend a lot of time on the board making sure that our schools are providing the best education possible to your children. We've done amazing work in the first 2 years, but we got a lot more work to do. Anything you can do to give us advice and thoughts on how we can be better for your family and your kids, we would always take that on, and we appreciate the time that you spend to be better parents, which makes your schools better and makes your kids better. So thank you very much.
Our next regular board meeting is scheduled for December 11th. The North Forest Bulldogs put up a fight, but in the end fell to the Navasota Rattlers 56-12 last night. While the Bulldogs season comes to an end, there are several games tonight. A few of the big games to keep an eye on. Undefeated Yates taking on Needville at Rhodes Stadium, and Lamar is taking on Cy-Fair, and Wisdom will face off against Memorial. Now, this is the first time Wisdom has been to the playoffs since 1979. We have the full story up on our YouTube channel.
Hey guys, welcome to another week of high school sports.
We also talked about all of these games with Athletics Director Andre Walker when he stopped by the HISD Now studios yesterday. And in other sports, Lamar High School hosted an early signing day where they had 5 student athletes commit. Lawson Bayhan will be headed to Texas to play baseball for the Longhorns. Jordan Godfrey and Ryan Johnson will be headed to Louisiana for track. Margot Roy Soton is headed to Southwestern for softball, and Bryson Williams will be headed to Sam Houston to run track and cross country. Congrats to all of them, and we can't wait to see what they accomplish at the next level. Well, the advanced fine arts students at Meyerland Performing and Visual Arts Middle School are getting ready for their fall ensemble, and HISD Now got to be front row for a special dress rehearsal. Filling the theater seats were the younger Greyhounds, who got to watch their older peers run through their performances, including dance, choir, theater, orchestra, even mariachi. We go behind the scenes with the school's fine arts director. Watch the full story up now on the channel, and remember, you can find all of our stories on Meyerland PVA in their own playlist. Be sure to tune in next week as Campus Close-Up takes us to Stevens Elementary. Our preview with the principal will go up on YouTube on Sunday. Tomorrow is our first school choice fair ahead of the school choice application that's opening on December 9th. And we are giving families a chance to learn more about our neighborhood, magnet, and specialty schools and programs like IB, dual language, CTE, Montessori, and more. Join us Saturday at Northside High School from 9 to noon. Come on out to see what our schools have to offer and find the best fit for your student. To learn more about the school choice process and to see more dates of more upcoming school choice fairs, go to our website, schoolchoice.houstonisd.org. And if you would like to visit one of our magnet schools, schedule a tour through that school's website. A reminder for any families in need of food assistance, you can visit the food pantries at any of our 8 Sunrise Centers at any time during their business hours. We've also posted the schedule to their weekly food distributions on our website. Check it out there on your screen for upcoming days and times, and find more information on our Sunrise Centers and the services provided on our website under the Families and Students tab. Well, thank you for tuning in to today's headlines. Be sure to subscribe to the channel and share our videos. Have a great weekend, and we will see you back here on Monday.